Hello friends, I would like to introduce Andrew, a management consultant from Global Solutions India. We have invited him to brief us on what 5S is all about, how can an organization and an individual gain from 5S, and what we need to do to learn 5S in details. I am sure his interaction with you will be very useful. Andrew, over to you. You can take it ahead from here.
Well, thanks Maria. I am sure during my interaction, I will be able to answer several questions that the participants would be having. So, today I will introduce you to the culture of 5S and will also tell you the way forward if you are interested for a 5S Facilitator certification course. 5S is a workplace organization and improvement methodology that uses a list of 5 Japanese words: Seri, Seton, Shiso, Saikatsu, and Shitsuke, all starting with S. Now let's look at the meaning of each of these words. Let's start with Seri. Seri means separate out all that is unnecessary and eliminate it. As part of Seri, we need to distinguish between the necessary and the unnecessary, and then getting rid of what we don't need. For that we need to establish a criteria for eliminating the unnecessary. So to start Seri, we need to start with putting red tags on all the items we either don't need, or we find them to be in excess quantity. So, once red tagging has been done, all these items are then moved to the red tag area, which is clearly defined. The responsible person of the red tag area would ensure that these items are properly disposed of if not required, issued to other departments, stored properly for future use, etc.
Okay. So how often do we need to do the red tagging?
Good question. Red tagging has to be done periodically initially to see that the unwanted items are disposed of regularly. And once people get into that habit, you will realize that the frequency would get reduced and a stage would come that you would not require red tagging. It's because that people start doing this activity regularly of their own. The English meaning of Seri is sorting. Now let's look at the second S, that is Seton, meaning systematic arrangement, with an objective of establishing a neat layout so that we can always get as much of what we need and whenever we need it. Seton works on the principle of place for everything and everything in its place. A measurable indicator of Seton is 30-second storage and retrieval time. The third S is Shiso, meaning shining or spick and span. The aim of this S is finding minor problems with philosophy of cleaning as inspection.
Oh, that sounds really good. We had always been thinking that 5S just means simple housekeeping. Now with that dimension of inspection, the meaning of 5S appears to be very different of what we had been thinking. Thanks for such a valuable input and sharing this piece of information with us.
Very true. Even I was under the wrong impression till now.
I am glad that your queries are getting sorted out through this brief training. And I am sure that now when you will be performing cleaning you would be looking this activity from a different point of view. And once you start cleaning with an objective to inspect and then subsequently rectify the problems will gradually start to reduce. Now let's look at the fourth S, Saikatsu, meaning standardization. This basically aims at creation and management of standards for maintaining the 5S. Some activities would include innovative visible management, early detection and early action of the problems, color coding, etc.
Oh, so you mean to say that we need to create color coding standards? That sounds really interesting. I am sure with that, even my less educated and skilled employees will be able to manage the work in an efficient manner. Also, when they would be creating the standards, they will feel motivated as they would be a part of the improvement process.
Very true. And this is what we want through the involvement of employees. Because when they are involved, they would own the process. And when they own the process, they will ensure that it is maintained properly. In fact, this is what is leading to the fifth S, that is Shitsuke, meaning self-discipline. An important point to note is that it is this fifth S that is driving the other 4 S. If we are able to ensure the application of this fifth S, the other 4 S will automatically follow. So you need to ensure that the team is thoroughly involved and motivated to perform the 5S activities. For that you will have to demonstrate active commitment. I am sure with this basic understanding several of your doubts would have been cleared.
Thanks Andrew for such a wonderful session. We are really thankful to you. We would be keen to attend the 5S Facilitators course that you offer. Please let us know how can we Register for the program. Can we register for this program and attend it online? I have heard that you offer these courses online through live instructor-led training programs.
What you have heard is actually right. Looking into the distant geographic locations of the participants, we offer our programs online through live instructor-led training, so you can attend these programs from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is to visit our website www.globalsolutionsindia.in or email us at contact@globalsolutionsindia.in. You can visit the training page on our website and choose for the program you wish to register. In addition to 5S Facilitators course, we offer several other certification courses. You can visit our website and choose the course that you are interested in. Most of these courses are offered online, so sitting at your home or office you can attend it.